In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a moment to let the workspace load fully so you can see all your main tools and recent activity. If this is your first time using the platform, don't worry. The layout is designed to help you move through your bookkeeping tasks in a simple, organized way. The first place to explore is the Home dashboard. This gives you a helpful overview of your business at a glance. You may see income and expense summaries, recent transactions, and shortcuts to common actions. Think of this as your control center. It's a great place to quickly understand what's happening in your business without having to dig through multiple screens. Next, look over to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll access the main areas of QuickBooks Online, including accounting, expenses, sales, payroll, reports, and customers. Getting comfortable with this menu early on will make everything else much easier, because most of your day-to-day tasks begin here. One of the most useful setup steps is connecting your bank account. To do that, go to Accounting, then Bank Transactions, and click Link Account. This allows QuickBooks to pull in your bank activity automatically, which can save a lot of time and reduce manual entry. After your transactions have downloaded, review and categorize them carefully. This step is important because it helps keep your records organized and ensures your reports are accurate. As you go through each transaction, make sure it's assigned to the correct category based on the type of income or expense. You'll also want to add your customers. Go to the Customer Hub and click New Customer. Enter the customer details you need so you can easily track sales and create invoices later. When you're ready to bill someone, create your first invoice by clicking Create Invoice from the home page, or by going to New Transaction and selecting Invoice. Fill in the products or services provided, confirm the amounts, and review everything before saving or sending it. To track what your business spends, record expenses by clicking Record Expense or going to New Transaction and choosing Expense. This keeps your books up to date and gives you a clearer picture of profitability. QuickBooks Online also lets you create other transactions such as sales receipts, checks, and bank deposits whenever needed. As your business activity grows, these tools help you document different types of financial movement accurately. For a bigger picture view, click Reports in the left navigation menu. This is where you can review important financial reports and monitor the health of your business. Finally, make it a habit to reconcile your bank accounts regularly. Reconciliation helps confirm that your QuickBooks records match your actual bank statements, which is essential for maintaining accurate books. Thanks for watching.